Hello everyone, welcome to Diamonds Gaming World. Okay, today I just want to show you an attack. Today early morning I just did. It's the same Electro Dragon Lightning attack, but this base is too damn strong. It was too strong, and still I cleansed 3 star. So just thought I want to share it with you. And one more thing I just want to tell you before the video. My English is weak. I know that my English is so weak, so weird. Most of you guys will think that why he want to take it in English, take the video. He can use it Hindi or his mother tongue. But I just want to show the tips and the tricks that I know, I experienced with to everyone, to to everyone in this world, other than India. So, if I speak in Hindi, either some of them can understand from the video, but most of them don't know how to. So, if I speak in English, that will help them also how to uh, attack in this type of situation. So that's a issue. Okay, and forgive me if my English is weak. I will try to improve. Okay, so let's go for the video. Here, if we saw a base, it is too strong, and here's heroes are almost full, and his base is also maximum to Tahal 13. So we don't want to worry about this kind of base if we saw it first time. Just think from where we need to release the troops. So I just want to destroy these 3 air defenses on the left side, because it will clear the way to the this eagle artillery, because the Tauhan and the eagle artillery is on the opposite directions. So like the last video I said that release the troops from the remaining air defenses side, that's because the eagle artillery is very near to there, but in this base the eagle artillery is on the left side. So always release the troops nearest to the eagle artillery, and on this way, if you release the troops from this side, left side, and the air defenses are also destroyed, so even if plant troops inside there, still there is no issue for the Electro Dragon. Even if they take time, they don't cause any much damages. And think one more thing always, that if you use all this lightning spell, you have only 4 lightning this free spell. So use your free spell so wisely. And the strongest defenses in this thing is the scatter shot and single inferno. This multi inferno is not that strong compared to the Electro Dragon. So only single inferno and the scatter shots are most dangerous. So release the troops, and always choose the free spell wisely. You see, I used 3 lightning spell to destroy the air defense and the same time air blower. Release these 3 lightning spell on in between this both. If they are staying in 3 tiles gap, so you use the lightning spell on the second tile, and means in the center. So that will take both this air blower and air defense. So that's why I took 3 air defenses that save me. See here, use the log launcher, because from my experience now, this log launcher is better than wall breaker, because the log launcher will help us to destroy the defenses on its way, on the parallel way, and the same time the heroes can push forward. These kind of ways the walls are very strong, so heroes can't break it in on time. So use log launcher, and it will make a way towards the center of the base or until to town hall. So heroes can push more forward and very fast, and same time it will destroy the defenses so fast. So log launcher is the best choice. See here, because of this log launcher, this king and queen reach until the clan castle, near to the clan castle and towards the town hall. If it was the wall breaker, I definitely think it won't reach until this the third walls, because the log launcher is the best choice. Okay, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. I will upgrade more videos, different types of attacks. So I hope everyone enjoy this video. Okay, thank you. That's all for today.